Welcome back. Eyelash extensions are all the rage these days, especially in a glamorous city like Las Vegas.
That's right. But with lash extensions, some women report having allergic reactions after the procedure. So a Las Vegas woman has actually invented a technique that makes the process safer.
Your look is part of your job.
Petrania Poon-Swan is a former television news anchor and reporter who wanted to look her best. So 4 years ago, she opted for eyelash extensions, which she initially loved, until
I started getting really bad reactions. I was getting like red bumps, right after, and my eyes were swelling up, and my eyes were starting getting red, and then immediately I went back and I said, I need this out. I cannot do this because I'm on camera.
Petrania, like many women, had an allergic reaction to eyelash extensions. She asked her technician why.
She's like, well, that happens sometimes. So she's like, well, maybe you can try a different glue, maybe you can try something different. And I was just so scared. From that point on, I'm like, no more extensions.
That is until today. Petrania is taking her first step back into the world of lash extensions.
Sometimes I like to leave the light on.
Thanks to Soo-Jin Yang, she's the CEO and founder of Illumino Lashes. She's using the Lynk-Gel technique she created on Petrania. Yang uses a light to cure the glue.
Most glues need humidity and temperature to cure faster, and we don't have to rely on humidity to dry. So it actually creates no stickies, meaning lashes don't get stuck together, causing damage and breaking to the natural lashes.
Yang's method has become so popular, she now trains hundreds of estheticians and cosmetologists on the Lynk-Gel Method internationally, which she says takes less time with long-lasting results.
At least 25% longer retention, and they're more comfortable because the glue's softer and flexible.
And no real allergic reaction.
We've had less allergic reactions. There's no 100%, but we've definitely seen an 80 to 90% of success rate of previous clients who've had allergies to regular adhesives. They're able to wear Lynk-Gel glue.
And nobody is more excited about this than Petrania.
I do love the lash. That's part of being a girl. I love getting dressed up, and I'm sick of wearing mascaras all the time. So I think that this will be good.
And Yang has some advice for women who've suffered miserable allergic reactions to lash extensions.
Don't give up. You can try Lynk-Gel Method. It is a different way of applying lash extensions, and it's much safer. It's from the USA, and it actually could work for you.
If you do want to try the Lynk-Gel Method Yang created, there are places using it, like Be Lashed by Britt on Maryland Parkway. Yang also suggests before you try any lash extensions at all, always do a patch test on your lashes first to see if you can actually wear extensions. And I tried those years ago, and I had the same experience that Petrania had. I was allergic to it, so
me too.
Yeah, I know you have this problem.
I've never done that, obviously, but I have sisters, and I know plenty of girls that do that. So
yeah, and they're all. I mean, the boutiques are all around.
Yeah,
here.
Interesting stuff.
Yeah.